Man, that thing's a piece of crap.
How's the fly? Like a piece of shit. You gotta get it trimmed out of there. It's a lot up. A lot up. You need help trimming it with the head.
Bring her in hot and low.
And inverted.